Hey guys, welcome to 5 Little Acres. So I don't know about you, but the ticks are really bad. I mean, they're bad every spring. We have chickens this year, so I was hoping because it'd be free range, we'd have less ticks. That doesn't seem to be the case. So I took matters into my own hands and we made tick bombs, and I'm going to show you how. Alright, so you are going to, I've been collecting probably now for like 6 months, paper towel rolls that I'm going to cut down, and toilet paper rolls. So I have a whole bunch of these that I've been collecting. You're also going to need dryer lint, a whole bunch of it. That's another thing I've been collecting for like the past 6 months. As soon as I heard about tick bombs, I was like, that's it, I'm gathering my supplies. So I've saved all the toilet paper rolls and the lint dryer stuff, and it's a good way to recycle too. So I've got that. The only item I had to order was this. Can you see it? I will try to say it, but I will probably say it wrong. Permethrin. That sounds right. Permethrin. I got it in concentrate, so I'm gonna have to dilute this. So I also went to the dollar store and I just got a spray bottle. Okay, so I have this big cardboard box. You could probably use a tray, but you're going to spread out your cotton balls or your dryer lint and fill up your spray bottle to saturate all of this, and then let it dry completely. All right, so I sprayed my dryer lint and then I let it dry. I flipped it, I sprayed it some more. It's been 24 hours now. So I'm going to start making my tick bombs. All right, so all of my empty toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls are cut and ready to be stuffed. I'm going to wear gloves while I do it. All right, so this is what a tick bomb or a tick tube looks like when it's complete. I made about 20 of these, and I'm going to spread them out and throw them all over the property. So you're going to want to throw the tick bombs around the outer edges of your property, anywhere that's heavily wooded or tall grass. Anywhere that you see chipmunks, you should throw, because that's probably where the mice will be at night. So just chuck it out there. Okay, so I'm not going to throw anywhere near where I keep my animals, but I will throw into the woods behind my property, just over this fence. So, and hopefully some mice will take that back.